Hello and welcome to Casa Brava Pro. Our mission is to make your experience as a homeowner in Spain to be simple, easy, and fun. This is why we have invited you to download an app named Basecamp to help you keep everything organized in one place. First, go to your email and open your invitation. When you click on the link in your invitation, it will open an internet browser page where you need to follow the steps by signing in with your Gmail or creating a profile manually with an email and password. If you create a manual profile, please write down your login information somewhere easy to access. If you ever forget it, don't worry, we can reset it. Once you're done creating a profile, you will be inside Basecamp. Basecamp is a platform you can use in your browser or download it as an app on your phone, tablet, or computer. To download the app, click on the symbol in the top left corner and follow the download steps, or go to your app store on your phone and search for Basecamp 3 there and download. Now, let's take a look at Basecamp inside. Once you're in your profile, you will see the following. You will see a rectangle with a reference number and your name, and in case you have more properties or projects with us, you will see more rectangles with reference numbers. Click on your name and you will then see the following tools we will use to communicate from left to right. Announcements. You will find our announcements or notes for reference here, such as alarm codes, insurance contacts, other important reference information. To-dos. Here we will organize all the things we need to do regarding your property. This will make it easy to see what is done and what needs to be done and when. Files. Here we will store copies of the budgets, invoices, and other important documents. Schedule. This is the calendar which will notify you when there are works or appointments planned within Casa Brava Pro. Here we can also schedule reminders regarding payments or other events you want to remember about your property. Update. This is an automatic update reminder which will ask you once a month whether there is anything we can help you with. Emails. This is where we will send important email to be stored all in the same place for your reference. You can do this with important emails like from insurance or others. We are sure you will enjoy and make use of this tool. Contact us if you have any questions. Casa Brava Pro, professionals in properties. If you like this video, click on the like button. Write a comment. We love to know what you think. And subscribe to see more. Find us on the social networks you want, such as Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Casa Brava Pro, professionals in properties.